So let's read the question. An athlete completes one round of a circular track of diameter 200 meters in 40 seconds. What will be the distance covered and the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds? So let's begin. So the first step is, guys, in case it is possible, draw a figure. So here we're given an athlete is running around a circular track. So first step is draw a circle. So I'll draw a circle over here. Next, we're given the diameter of the circular track is 200 meters. So let's say this over here is the center. So this over here is the diameter. So the diameter is given to us as 200 meters. Now we have to choose a starting point. So let's say I take this point over here, A, as my starting point. Now we're given he completes one round of a track in 40 seconds. So starting from A, the athlete runs one round in 40 seconds. Now we have to find the distance and displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds. So it takes him 40 seconds to complete one round. So first let's find how many rounds he'll take in 2 minutes 20 seconds. So let's begin. So first thing given to us is diameter of the track. So diameter is given to us as 200 meters. So see, guys, in a circle question, first step is get the radius. So we'll get the radius over here. What is radius? It is half of diameter. That is diameter divided by 2. That is 200 divided by 2. So from here we get radius is equal to 100 meters. So whenever we have a circle question, first step is find the radius. Now it takes him 40 seconds to complete one round. So first let's find 2 minutes 20 seconds means how much. So see, we have T is equal to 2 minutes 20 seconds. Now we have to convert this purely in second. So 1 minute is how many seconds? 60. So we multiply this by 60. That is 2 multiplied by 60. So this is equal to 2 into 60, that is 120 seconds plus 20 seconds. So total time taken is 140 seconds. Now number of rounds covered. So I'll highlight this also. So we have time taken for one round. What is this given to us as, guys? Time taken for one round is 40 seconds. Right? So it takes him 40 seconds for one round. So number of rounds in 140 seconds is equal to total time taken 140 seconds divided by the time taken for one round. I repeat, how do you find number of rounds? Total time taken divided by how much time you're taking for one round. So see, 0, 0 cancel. Divide by 2, 2. Divide by 2, 7. 7 by 2, that is 3.5 rounds. That means in 2 minutes 20 seconds, the athlete is covering 3.5 rounds. Now we can easily find distance and displacement. So I'll give the heading distance. So distance covered is equal to, now in one round, how much distance do you cover in a circle? Circumference 2 pi r. So in 3.5 rounds, how much will you cover? You will cover 3.5 into circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r. I repeat, when you do one round of a circle, you're covering circumference 2 pi r. So 3.5 rounds, 3.5 circumference. So write this as an improper fraction. That is 7 by 2 into 2 pi r 2 into pi. Now see, guys, what is the radius? Radius is 100 meters. It's not a multiple of 7. So take pi as 3.14 into radius, that is 100. So 2 and 2 cancel. We get from here 7 into 3.14 into 100, 314. So multiply this, 7 into 314. I'll do it over here. 314 into 7. 7 to 4, 28. 8 carry 2. 7 to 1, 7 plus 2, 9. 7 to 3, 2, 1. So we get this as 2,198 meters. So this over here is the distance traveled by the athlete in 2 minutes 20 seconds, which is a lot, right? Almost 2.2 kilometers. So I hope distance covered is clear. Now let's move on to displacement. So just I'll draw a line over here. Now let's talk about displacement. So see, guys, what is displacement? Shortest distance between initial and final points. So let's mark. Let's say this is initial point. Now 3.5 round. So see, guys, when you go one round, you are back to A. Second round, back to A. Third round, back to A. Now half a round means you'll go half and come over here. Is this clear? I repeat, half a round means this. So what is the displacement? This line over here is the displacement. I repeat, he is running 3.5 rounds, starting from A. One round, back to A. Second round, back to A. Third round, back to A. Now half a round means half of the circle, so along the diameter. So initial position is A, final position is B. Straight line joining AB is nothing but the diameter. So what is displacement? 200 meters. So displacement is equal to AB, that is 200 meters along AB. Is this clear? So this is how you tackle this question. I repeat, first step is, guys, in case there's a figure, draw it over here, mark whatever is given to you. In case it is a circle question, first get the radius. Now we are given time as 2 minutes 20 seconds is the total time the athlete is running. It takes him 40 seconds to complete one round. So first step is convert this purely in second. Why? Because we are given the time in second. So we get 140 seconds. Now how many rounds in 140 seconds? 3.5 rounds. So what is the distance covered in 3.5 rounds? 3.5 multiplied by circumference, we get that as 2,198 meters. Now what is the displacement? So after 3.5 rounds, if you're starting from A, he will come to point B, right? So what is displacement? Shortest straight line between initial and final point. So this straight line is nothing but diameter. So displacement is 200 meters. Is this clear? So this is how you solve this question.